Microsemi is probably one of the largest, most diverse technology companies in the industry. Worldwide, we service satellite business, smart energy, grid energy, automotive technology, implantable medical, MRI technology, a lot of space, commercial air. We're heading towards revenue of on or about $1 billion exiting 2012. And we're probably the fastest growing technology company in the world. Microsemi Ireland falls in our corporate strategy simply for the fact that it is essentially our European headquarters. Chosen for very good reasons. Probably the most important is the work ethic of the people in Ireland, the education, the skill level, but more importantly, the desire the people in Ireland have to want to do things properly and correct. So I'm here predominantly, Microsemi's here because of the people. My involvement with the IDA is very important to us. One of the questions I get from other CEOs in our industry and outside our industry is, hey Jim, why'd you pick Ireland? And one of the main reasons was the IDA. The IDA has become, in a sense, for Microsemi, a strategic partner more than anything else. Our development and our operation in Ireland has been very, very successful. So what I would expect is strategically, as we look at programs, the advantage and the level playing field is not going to be so level. Ireland is a strong component for Microsemi. It's been very, very successful. And I would expect strategically and tactically to expand in Ireland.